County, Windham, Connecticut, and Washington, Rhode Island. The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flood warning for East Central Windham County, Southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, Southwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, Bristol County, Kent County, Newport County, Providence County, Washington County, until 7:45 p.m. Thursday. At 1:42 p.m., gauge reports indicated between 4.5 and 7 inches of rain fell overnight and early this morning. Minor flooding of streams and small rivers is likely during this afternoon. Some locations that will experience flooding include Providence, New Bedford, Fall River, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Taunton, East Providence, Woonsocket, Coventry, Dartmouth, Cumberland, North Providence, South Kingstown, West Warwick, Johnson, North Attleboro, North Kingstown, Newport, and Bristol. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.